We preview the races for the monsoon meeting 6th day Tuesday 5th October 2021. The first race, the Desert Shot Handicap for horses rated 1 to 26, about 1600 meters. Horse number 1 Roman, ridden by Hindu Singh, was the favourite last time in race number 14, where Roman shifted out under the whip to the outer portion of the track and finished in 6th position. This time Roman is running over a mile. The winner of that race in race number 14 was Shivalik Silk. We come to horse number 2, the Indicator, ridden by CS Jodha. The Indicator ran 12th the last time, was right at the back of the field and not moving much despite the jockey's urgings. So Indicator is running for the first time in this monsoon season. Then we come to horse number 3 Criteria and horse number 5 Romantic Zeal, both of which ran together in race number 8. Criteria came out and ran second, was ridden by Shehzad Khan, who rides him again this time, and Romantic Zeal, ridden by Hasib Alam on this occasion, finished right at the back. Horse number 4 Supernormal, the ride of Vinay Jaiswal, was ridden by apprentice Sujit Kumar on this occasion in race number 15, where Supernormal came out and ran a 4th behind Basharat, which won very convincingly on the day and stretched away to win by 9 lengths.
We come to race number 2, the Tweedledee Handicap, horses rated 41 to 66, about 2000 meters. We have 3 runners who ran in the same race last time also, who was number 1 Resolute, number 2 Raksharki and number 3 Justified. Resolute was always in the prominent second position up the straight, and Justified came from well off the pace to just pip Resolute on the post. Last time Justified was ridden by jockey Pete Trevor, now he's ridden by CS Jodha. Hindu Singh rode Resolute and takes the ride again. We have Raksharki, also been ridden by Mohammad Azurin once again, who was on the wide outside. Raksharki showed that he was going to finish on, and he ran a close 5th, but this time it's up in distance. He's run in 2000 meters this time. We come to horse number 4 Head Boy, trained by Aarti Doctor and by Rupal Singh. Last time Rupal Singh had the ride of him and gets the ride once again on him. And it shows, he led all the way right up to the last 100 meters, where Adonica came on the wide outside and overpowered him, and went down at the finish by 2 lengths to Adonica. This time he's up on trip and he relishes the further distance. This time he's running over 2000 meters.
We come to the third race, the Argiano Handicap for horses 5-year-old and over, rated 21 to 46, over 1400 meters. Horse number 1 Cliffs of Capri, ridden by Darshan Anthony, claiming 4 kilos, ran a 4th last time to UV, a faraway 4th, where about 10 lengths behind, and up in this distance this time over 1400 meters. Number 2 Gold Bond, raced in race number 18 over a mile. Gold Bond finished 8th in his previous start. Didn't have show much improvement and ran on from the rear. Gold Bond is now ridden by Sujit Kumar Paswan, has come down in class. Horse number 3 Aftershock, the ride of Hindu Singh, ran in race number 29, where Aftershock finished a faraway 10th over 1200 meters and didn't have much to offer in the straight, but Aftershock seems to have come down quite a bit on handicap. Number 4, Chameleon's Image, is having its first start in Calcutta. Number 5, Communique. Communique is being ridden by Rupal Singh this time. It was ridden by Tejeshwar in the previous season, where Communique in this run has finished a far away 9th in race number 134, where the common horse Nova, which came out and won that race as well. Number 6, Rare Bird, and number 7, Gusty Look, and number 8, Unstoppable, all ran together in race number 17, where Rare Bird finished on 5th, this time being ridden by Tejeshwar, claiming an allowance of 2 kilos. And Rare Bird is still a maiden. And Gusty Look, ridden the ride of Samir Khan, finished off 9th in that race. Unstoppable also finished back in the rear. Then we have number 9, Script, the ride of R.S. Bhati, was ridden by Hasib Alam on this occasion in race number 6, where Script ran 5th behind Cletus. Came with a little bit of interference down the straight and ran a close enough 5th. The winner was convincingly Cletus, which came out and won again. And we have number 10, Wind Chaser, ridden by Mohammad Islam. So Wind Chaser is going for its 4th start for this season, the monsoon season, and placed 5th in this race number 22. Was also ridden by Mohammad Islam on that occasion. The winner was Sea Sky, who won very convincingly by 5 lengths.
We come to the 4th race, the Arcade Handicap. Horses rated 61 to 86, about 1200 meters. We got horse number 1, Coach Jester. He's having his first start in the monsoon season. Had a terrific winter season last year, winning 3 on the trot. This time ridden by apprentice jockey Hasib Alam, claiming 4 kilos. His winter campaign was absolutely amazing. He's won every race of his by ease. So this is his first start. Let's see how he performs here today. We got horse number 2, Pontius Pilot, and horse number 3, Sitara, both raced in race number 4, where Sitara won this race with immense ease, start to finish, with the same jockey combination. And we see Pontius Pilot running a decent amount for this first start, running 3rd since he came from Hyderabad. And you can just see the way Hindu Singh on Sitara just won it with a comfort degree of ease. We got horse number 4, Foolproof, on our screen. He's had 2 starts this season, 6th in race number 5 and 7th on race number 9. This time he's running in a higher class with the apprentice Sujit Kumar Paswan claiming 1 kilos. So he runs with 50 on his half on his back. We come to horse number 5, Mountain Lion. This is the footage of his last start we had in Calcutta. It was in race number 33 last winter, where he ran 3rd in the 2000 guineas behind the champion horse Black Pearl. He was ridden by Y.S. Srinath on that occasion. This time he's got the services of Arshad Alam, and in-form trainer Neil Darasha has his 3rd runner again in Mountain Lion.
We come to the 5th race, the Set Flame Handicap, for horses rated 41 to 66 over about 1100 meters. Number 1, Harbour Sunrise, ran a forward race last time with Afzal Khan in race number 3 on the 8th of September, where Harbour Sunrise was in futile chase of the winner Jake, who just easily, ran away by 5.5 lengths on that occasion. Faded out to run a 5th on that occasion. Then we have horse number 2, Atom, and horse number 4, Phoenicia Mist. Atom was ran on to run 2nd, and he battled on all the way down the straight on the outside, came up with a strong run, and then Galen came in the last 200 meters and passed him to win by 1 3/4 lengths. So good forward run there for Atom, ridden by Rupal Singh this time, claiming 1 kilo's allowance as he did last time. Phoenicia Mist ran on 4th with Hasib Alam. Then we come to Taimur's Choice, late port of Spain. Having its first start for this monsoon season is Taimur's Choice. Akshay Kumar is coming in to ride Taimur's Choice. So we're looking at the previous run where it was promoted to Class 3 in race number 138 but failed to perform. The winner was Estrella Star. When we come to 5, CF Cortez is having its first start. Then we come to Freeze, which is also having its first start for the monsoon season. This is the previous run, 31st of March, where it finished off the board in race number 119 over 1200 meters. Samir Khan rides Freeze. Then we have horse number 7, Via Reggio, who's being ridden by Amin Merchant. So Via Reggio also running after a long layoff, and we're looking at race number 112, where it ran in the previous winter season, having its first start for the monsoon here. So Via Reggio finished off 7th over 1100. And number 8, Aggression, ridden by 4 kilo claiming jockey Darshan Anthony. So we're looking at race number 17 here, where Aggression ran 7th on the 25th of September. And the winner was Adonica, which came with a lightning run down the straight to pull away from the field.
We come to the 6th and last race of the day, the Super Sunrise Handicap. Horses rated 21 to 46, about 1100 meters. We got horse number 1, Dandy Satyagraha. He's had one start in race number 3 where he finished behind Jake. Now he's running down in class and with the services of CS Jodha this time. Previously he was ridden by RS Bhatti. It shows where he finished on from 3rd position. He came up late on the scene and ran a creditable 2nd. The horse behind him, Kimaya, after this run came out in 1 and she ran a 3rd again. Horse number 2, D-Night Mysore. Number 3, Lackmoss. Number 4, Nandini's Pet. And number 10, Mr. Gucci. They all ran in the same race, number 2, 1100 meters last time, running in the same distance once again. D-Night Mysore was seen in front leading all the way. She looked like she's had the race on packed up, but just got collared the last 100 meters or so from each side. We had Lackmoss, who was always in 3rd position, held on to run 3rd again. Mr. Gucci finished on from the rear, and the jockey was called in and cautioned for indifferent handling, where he finished on a close 4th behind Lackmoss. And further behind we see Nandini's Pet trail the field home to finish last of 9. We got horse number 5, Stagger. She's had just one start this season where she finished behind UB. UB was quite convincing the way he won. Stagger looked threatening up to straight once, then she hung in a bit, was corrected by RS Bhatti this time, and then you see her finishing on pretty strongly at the finish. She should run a far better race today. Then we got number 6, Rush for Gold, having his first start this monsoon season. In his last start during the winter, he had finished 11th in race number 74 with Mohammad Islam up. And you see him, he was up there with the pace and gradually fell back in rear. His last start he ran was on the 22nd of January. Number 7, Think Big, having a second start this season. She finished 7th in race number 10 behind Eastwood, who was brilliant in this win of his. She was up there with the pace. She was running a close 4th, 5th, and then she gradually weakened to finish in the 7th position. The same rider, Samir Khan, takes the ride once again. We got number 8, Spanish City. He's having his first start this monsoon season. where he ran his last start was on the 16th of March, where he finished 12th in race number 105 with a jockey Muzamil. Today Amin Merchant takes the ride on him, and he's running after a long layoff. He was not much impressive in his only start last winter, so we must wait and watch how he performs today. Number 9, Berluti. He's had 2 starts this season. He ran 5th in race number 2 and 11th in race number 20. He was slightly sluggish at the start this time, and he was all the way behind in the rear part of the field. And when the rider asked for an effort in the straight, he had nothing much to offer. Was ridden by Arman Khan last time, this time ridden by apprentice jockey Rupal Singh, where he finished last in race number 20. Thank you.